Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check system volume, Chrome tab volume, and output device. Once done, run Chrome, //restart to reload Chrome quickly. Make sure other apps aren't hijacking audio by closing music or communication programs. You should also switch the output device in the system tray if sound is routed incorrectly. If the tab is muted, unmute it. If site permissions block sound, allow audio in the lock icon. Now proceed to targeted fixes. Next, you dig into Chrome settings because configuration often causes silence. Open site settings and ensure sound is allowed for the site. Adjust autoplay if needed. Then disable extensions one by one or toggle all off to find a conflict. Extensions can mute or reroute audio. You should test playback in incognito or create a new profile to see if the problem follows your profile. Also inspect Chrome // flags if you previously changed experimental audio flags. Revert them to defaults to be safe. To finish, update Chrome to the latest version or reinstall it to repair corrupted components. Clear cache and reset settings if necessary. Then verify system audio drivers are current, run your OS audio troubleshooter, and reboot to reset audio services. If sound works in another browser, you know Chrome-specific settings remain. If not, it's system level. If problems persist, gather reproducible steps, exact error behavior, and try a clean profile before seeking help. One tip: test with a different output device to rule out hardware.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.